Now we've uploaded our schedules that we want to compare and set our baseline to compare against, we want to analyze our S-curves, our progress. And for this, we go to the progress track screen, and then here on the top right, we go to progress. And clicking on this generates our S-curve. Now we can generate this S-curve on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. We can zoom in by analyzing these sections, or simply unlocking them again. We can download using this button in the top right, and we can analyze at any level of the WBS, OBS, or whatever segmentation we've got in the program. And by hovering over, we get all of the results. And it's as simple as that. Everything is interactive, so I can take off all of the actualized data and I can give a narrative here. I can get rid of the early and late data. So I've just got simple comparisons. It is entirely up to you.